This is the International iAQA certificate for GCSE, and we're looking at cell division. There are two main types of cell division. One that's primarily for growth and repair of already existing tissues, and one that's very specifically for the production of sex cells, whether those be plants or animals. Any organism that reproduces asexually reproduces sexually has a specific form of reproduction. That's called meiosis. We're going to start off by looking at the more common one that's for growth and repair, which is mitosis. Hopefully we know our basic structure of a cell. So here's a normal cell with a nucleus contained with it, and inside that nucleus is the genetic information, DNA. Here we've drawn two pairs of chromosomes, whereas in humans there would be 23 pairs of chromosomes. The two long ones, one has come from one parent, one has come from the other parent, and that's why they're the same length. And then we've got two shorter ones representing the next set of chromosomes. If we're going to make identical copies of any cell, we have to start by copying the genetic information. So before any reproduction and division of the whole cell can take place, we have to copy the DNA. And so that's the first stage that happens in mitosis. Inside the nucleus, or where the nucleus would be, each chromosome is copied in an identical manner. So now you have double the amount of genetic material that you should ordinarily have. So in humans, rather than having 23 pairs of chromosomes, here we have 46 pairs of chromosomes. That therefore means that cell division can take place, separating one copy of each chromosome to each new cell that's going to form. And that could ultimately pinch off to form two cells that together are genetically identical, but also they are genetically identical to the original parent. This original parent cell no longer exists. It has become two new daughter cells. And any offspring cell is referred to as a daughter cell. So that is mitosis, making genetically identical copies of cells, specifically for the purposes of growth or repair and replacement of damaged or new tissues. Meiosis, on the other hand, please learn the spelling of meiosis. As we've said, is specifically for the purposes of producing gametes. So this time we're starting with a cell, but this cell would be a stem cell, an unspecialized cell.